evening. Today we will be talking about nested loops. For this example, we will be using for loops and a for our nested loop. A nested loop is when two loops are used in conjunction with each other to iterate through pretty much anything you want. In this case, it's going to be a 2D array. Now, you would set it up just like how you would a normal loop, except for the addition of a second loop inside. Now, the second loop, pretty much the only difference you'd have to need to make is it needs a different iterator in order to work. Right here, I'm making it so that it will iterate through our 2D array X. With this, we now have an array that will go through every single possible value of X. So if we were to put X, I, J is equal to J into our second loop. Now, when we print out our loop, it should, in theory, have the value of J for each of these conditions. Now, it can also be helpful for printing your 2D arrays through our normal print statements. And the code is pretty much the exact same. If we run it here, you will see if it'll load. There we go. That it prints out our number. If we make it print out line, you can see exactly what's happening. First, we're in our first array, so then it goes to J. Now J will loop 3 times. So we got and put that J number into our 2D array. So we got 0, 1, 2. Then does it a second time for our second value of our for loop, 0, 1, 2. And then lastly, for our third value of our first for loop, 0, 1, 2. It is a very simple concept, but it is very powerful for all levels of programming. Thank you.